Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix fast charging not working on REALME GT8 Pro. So first, check your cable and charger for any damage and compatibility. Then flip your phone and right on the bottom you can see the charging port. Clean it with a non-metallic tools, so like a Q-tips, wooden sticks or compressed air. Just don't use any metallic tools because you may damage the charging port. Next you can test with another fast charger and an outlet. And in settings, try to search for update, system and update, software update, and if you have any updates, just download it right here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.